Join me as I dive into the top fleet maintenance secrets that could save you time and money. Let's see if I can uncover them all. Hi, I'm Leslie Walker. Welcome to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. Fleet maintenance is an essential aspect of any business that relies on vehicles. From delivery trucks to company cars, a well-maintained fleet is crucial for efficient operations and customer satisfaction. In fact, a single breakdown can cost a company thousands of dollars in lost revenue and productivity. It's no wonder that businesses are always looking for ways to optimize their fleet maintenance strategies. But what makes fleet maintenance so important? For starters, it ensures that vehicles are running safely and efficiently, reducing the risk of accidents and minimizing environmental impact. Proper maintenance also helps extend the lifespan of vehicles, reducing capital expenditures and minimizing downtime. And let's not forget about the importance of maintaining a professional image. A well-maintained fleet is a reflection of a company's commitment to quality and customer service. In today's fast-paced business environment, fleet maintenance is no longer just about performing routine checks and repairs. It's about implementing strategies that drive efficiency, reduce costs, and improve overall performance. And that's what we'll be exploring in this video. The top fleet maintenance secrets that can help you achieve just that. In the world of fleet maintenance, there are many challenges that companies face. From managing multiple vehicles to dealing with complex regulatory requirements, it's easy to get bogged down in the details. One of the biggest challenges is simply keeping track of maintenance schedules and records. Without a centralized system, it's easy for things to fall through the cracks, leading to costly repairs and downtime. Another common challenge is finding qualified technicians who can perform complex repairs and maintenance tasks. With the shortage of skilled labor in the industry, it's becoming increasingly difficult for companies to find reliable and experienced technicians. And let's not forget about the cost of maintenance itself. From replacement parts to labor costs, it can be a significant expense for any business. Furthermore, companies must also comply with various regulations and standards, such as those related to safety and environmental impact. This can be a daunting task, especially for smaller businesses that don't have the resources to devote to compliance. And finally, there's the issue of scalability. As a company grows, so does its fleet, making it increasingly difficult to manage and maintain. When it comes to managing fleet maintenance, there are several key secrets that can help you save time and money. First and foremost, it's essential to have a centralized system in place for tracking maintenance schedules and records. This can be achieved through the use of fleet management software, which provides a single platform for monitoring and managing all aspects of fleet maintenance. Another key secret is to prioritize preventive maintenance. By performing routine checks and maintenance tasks on a regular basis, you can identify and address potential issues before they become major problems. This not only reduces downtime and repair costs, but also helps extend the lifespan of your vehicles. In addition to prioritizing preventive maintenance, it's also essential to implement a robust inspection program. This involves conducting regular inspections of vehicles to identify any issues or defects that need to be addressed. By catching issues early, you can prevent more costly repairs down the road. Scheduling is also critical to effective fleet maintenance. By creating a schedule that takes into account the unique needs and requirements of each vehicle, you can ensure that maintenance is performed in a timely and efficient manner. This not only reduces downtime, but also helps minimize the impact on daily operations. Technology also plays a critical role in effective fleet maintenance. From telematics systems to mobile apps, there are a wide range of tools and platforms that can help you monitor and manage your fleet more efficiently. By leveraging these technologies, you can reduce maintenance costs, improve efficiency, and enhance overall performance. Another key secret is to focus on driver behavior. By educating drivers on the importance of maintenance and providing them with the tools and resources they need to perform routine checks, you can reduce the risk of breakdowns and improve overall fleet performance. Furthermore, it's essential to develop a culture of maintenance within your organization. This involves incentivizing employees to prioritize maintenance and providing them with the training and resources they need to perform tasks effectively. In addition to these secrets, there are several best practices that can help you achieve effective fleet maintenance. One of the most important is to establish a comprehensive maintenance program that takes into account the unique needs and requirements of your fleet. Another key best practice is to develop a relationship with suppliers and vendors. By building strong relationships with these partners, you can negotiate better prices, improve delivery times, and enhance overall service quality. It's also essential to document everything. By maintaining accurate and detailed records of maintenance activities, you can identify trends and patterns that can help you optimize your maintenance strategy. Finally, it's critical to stay up to date with the latest industry developments and trends. By attending conferences, webinars, and workshops, you can stay informed about the latest technologies, tools, and best practices in fleet maintenance. By implementing these secrets and best practices, you can significantly improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your fleet maintenance operations. Not only will you reduce costs and downtime, but you'll also enhance overall performance, safety, and customer satisfaction. In fact, many companies have seen significant benefits from implementing these secrets and best practices. For example, one company was able to reduce its maintenance costs by 20% simply by implementing a preventive maintenance program. Another company saw a 15% reduction in downtime after implementing a scheduling system that took into account the unique needs and requirements of each vehicle. And finally, a third company reported a 10% improvement in fuel efficiency after implementing a telematics system that provided real-time data on driver behavior and vehicle performance. As one fleet management expert recently noted, effective fleet maintenance is all about having the right systems and processes in place. By prioritizing preventive maintenance, leveraging technology, and focusing on driver behavior, companies can significantly reduce costs and improve overall performance. Another expert added, fleet maintenance is not just about checking boxes and performing routine tasks. It's about taking a proactive approach to managing your fleet and staying ahead of the curve. In conclusion, effective fleet maintenance is critical to the success of any business that relies on vehicles. By implementing the secrets and best practices outlined in this video, you can reduce costs, improve efficiency, and enhance overall performance. Remember, fleet maintenance is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring and improvement. By staying focused on your goals and adapting to changing circumstances, you can achieve significant benefits and take your fleet to the next level. Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.